Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your Gmail contact. Your contact is saved on your Gmail. How do you find it? So what you need to do is you go straight to your Gmail to just search your Gmail here. Once you open your Gmail here, what you need to do is click on this your profile icon. Once you click on the profile icon, click on it. Once you click on it, click on manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, so the next thing you need to do is you wait for it. Google is going to take you directly to your account. So you wait for it. Let's wait for it. And this is it. Once you see, just go here and find your people and sharing. Once you click on people and sharing, you're going to see all your contacts here. And here you can see right now I have 19 contacts here. Okay, 19 plus other contacts. Just click on the contacts. Just click on the contact and you wait for Google to load, and your contact is going to load very easily. So there's no need for you that you lost your contact. You're going to find all your contacts here very easily, and you can copy the number here. You can copy any number here that you are looking for. You can see that is it here. This is it. You can click here, you can search, you can download them, you can do anything here. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, you drop a comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.